Facilitator, Commander Wendelboy Buntag. Band Coordinator, Engineer Renato Cernande. Major Trainer, Mr. Noel Lopez. Entry number 58, Camarines Polytechnic Colleges, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines. Thank you, entry number 58, Camarines Polytechnic Colleges. Next entry, entry number 59, Partido State University, San Juan Bautista, District Goa, Camarines Sur, ROTC Mixed Company with First Platoon Leader, Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Mark Valencia, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Rosalina Gonzaga, CAT Facilitator Commandant, Major Charlie Gaglietti, Infantry Philippine Army Commandant, Band Advisor Coordinator John Vincent Bailon, Major Trainer Jetro Bitonio, Band Master Trainer John Vincent Bailon, Drumline Instructor Dr. Maria Aurora Caballero. Entry number 59, Partido State University. Thank you. Entry number 59, Partido State University. Entry number 60, Tabaco College. Panal, Tabaco City, Albay, ROTC Mayor, and Luis Belenzo. Band leader, Robertson Regalado. Company Commander, Philip Andre Ibarra. Company XO, Erica Mancera. First Platoon Leader Boys, Dan Ronald Basilonia. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Erica Ann Benhica. Facilitator Commandant, Eric Bermas. Band Advisor, Coordinator Aris Olivares. Major Trainer Rose Villen Nipay. Band Master Trainer Leonard Borja. Entry number 60, Tabaco College. Thank you. Entry number 60, Tabaco College. Entry number 61, Partido College. Tambuco, Takla, Goa, Camarines Sur, ROTC Mixed Company with Majors and Brass Wings Band Category A. Principal, Eva G. Alfilor. All Commander and Staff. Gonzales. Company XO. First Lieutenant John Bert De La Vega. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Viner Encinas. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Sunshine Silva. Facilitator, Band Advisor Fernando Luneta. Band Major Trainer, Jaime Ismenda Jr. Entry number 61, Partido College of Matakla, Goa. Thank you. Partido College, entry number 61, entry number 62. This is accompanied by Libon Community College Band and Majorates from Libon, Albay. The Libon Community College Band and Majorates of Libon, Albay is composed of Honorable Will Magnilia, Mayor of Libon, Chairman Board of Trustees, Edith Rivera, College Administrator, Dr. Emelita Sanduez, College Dean, Jeffrey Morales Brass, Band Coordinator, Ruder Sumpay, Band Director, and Ami B. Payet, Majorates. Company Commander, Cadet Captain John Alduin Azares, Cadet Captain John Wesley Larcena, Company EXO, Cadet Captain John Meldrin Mancela, First Class, First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet Captain John Eno Millete, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet Captain Stephanie Parado. Facilitator Commandant Colonel Richard Sumera, Philippine Air Force, GSC. Aeronautical Academy of the Philippines, Barangay Camarines Sur. Entry number 63, Sigera Technological Colleges, Cadet Major Albert Ayagan, Squadron Commander. Company EXO, Cadet First Lieutenant Junji De Los Santos, Second Class Executive Officer, First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant C.J. Poblete, Flight Leader, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Maria Fe Camila, Flight Leader Bravo. CAT Facilitator of Commandant Captain Eliseo Incierto, Philippine Air Force. Band Advisor Coordinator Jerry Blente, Business Trainer Rogelio Mirandilla and Chito Corporal. Band Master Trainer Levi Jean Lercy Badim. Entry number 63, Segera Technological Colleges Incorporated. Sigera Technological Colleges, Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. Next, entry number 64, Baao Community College, San Juan. Coordinators. We would like to acknowledge Dr. Gabriel L. Jimenez, Mariners Polytechnic Bicol Executive Vice President. Thank you. Entry number 64, Baao Community College from Baao